first of all I made a Python file and made a basic movement mechanic. Then I imported some images for the game and replaced the square with the player, and now we have the player moving. And now the doll. I think it's a little big. Okay, that's fine. And for the doll's movement, I move the doll up, and when the doll reaches a certain point, it comes back down, and this keeps happening. Fast forward, I added a music, a function to display that the player is eliminated, and the function to display that the player passed. And when the player's y-axis reaches the y-axis of the finish line, it displays the pass function. I also made the timer. This took a lot of time. Adding a timer is very simple, but in Pygame it's a little confusing, but I figured it out. And now we have the timer. I can actually cheat in this game just by changing the code. And look, I passed. I added the simple mechanics for the game, but this game is missing a lot of things. So if you want me to work more on this game, let me know. And yes, that's it. Bye.